Hi everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to operate the Mobius M210 mill. To get started, position the M210 in your work area, lock the casters, and plug in the unit. If you're using an external vacuum for dust control, you'll also install the hose into the vacuum port on the back of the machine at this point. Assuming that the rotor is already in place, it's time to select and install the milling screen. Guidance on screen selection is available at mobiustrimmer.com on the M210 product page. Every M210 ships with 3 screens: the 1/4 inch perf screen, the 1/8 inch perf screen, and the 1.6 mm rasp screen. For today's demo, we'll be working with the 1.6 mm rasp screen, which is great for preparing material for pre-rolls. While the perforated screens can be installed in any orientation, the rasp screens are directional. Forward motion of the rotor is clockwise, so we want to install the rasp screen with the openings facing to the right. When installing the screen, ensure that the back edge of the screen slots into the groove on the back panel of the chamber, which will then align it with the groove on the door. Once the milling screen is in place, close and lock the door. Now we're ready to start milling. First up, check the e-stop and, if it's engaged, release it. To start the machine, press the start and forward buttons and crank up the speed to 11. Most of your milling activity will be performed at max speed. We'll use lower speeds at the end of our run to clear out the milling chamber. With the rotor running, begin loading plant material into the hopper and sweeping it into the milling chamber. Material can be fed into the chamber as fast as you can sweep it in. The M210 will mill 35 to 200 pounds per hour, that's 15 to 90 kilograms per hour, but the last half pound can take up to 5 minutes to work its way through at the end of the run. The coarser the screen, the higher the hourly throughput, and vice versa. To work through the last half pound, adjust the rotor speed down to 1 or 2 and run for 5 to 10 minutes. Some strains clear the chamber more easily if the rotor is alternated between forward and reverse every 30 seconds or so. Once the chamber has been cleared and you've finished your product run, you'll find your perfectly milled product in the bottom collection tote. To learn more about how the Mobius M210 mill can help with your premium cannabis milling needs, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.